So hi guys, good day, and for today's video I'm gonna teach you and discuss what is a cellular infective agents, which are the viruses, viroids, and prions. Okay, so let's start first. What is a cellular? A cellular is consisting of a single complex cell used especially protozoa and xylates. Or in other term, they are called because they lack a cell wall and a cell membrane. They contain only a DNA or RNA enclosed in a protein coat. They are inactive outside a host cell and can only reproduce only inside a host cell, which means that virus could reproduce inactive when they get inside to our body or in a living organisms. Okay, virus mostly in humans. It could be in plants and animals as well. Okay. So now let's start with virus. So guys, so what is virus? So virus is a small infectious agent that can replicate only inside the living cells of organisms. Okay? Most viruses are too small to be seen directly with a light microscope. So a virus, guys, is an infectious microbe consisting of a segment of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein coat. So guys, virus consists of the following parts. First part is the helical nucleic acid molecule, which is the DNA or RNA structure. The second one is the capsid, the protein coat. And the third one is the viral wrapper, which you can see in the picture. That's the structure of a virus, guys. So guys, viruses infect all types of organisms, okay? From animals and plants to bacteria and archaea, from small living organisms, microorganisms. So guys, that's just only for humans. Viruses can also affect any types or any forms of living organisms. So watch out, guys. Because guys, viruses are found in almost every corner of ecosystems on Earth and are the most abundant type of a biological entity. So take of that. So, and by the way, guys, don't forget that the study of the virus is what we called virology. Okay? So, virology is a sub branch of microbiology. Alright. So now guys, let's talk about some common human diseases caused by a virus. Let's start with the common colds. Mumps, WO, the measles, also known as the tipdas, the chicken pox, the dahanga, the influenza. That's some colds that we are experiencing before. Rabies caused by a bite from a mammal. Dogs, cats, rats, bats, and herpes, like the luas, also known as luas, or any other oral diseases. Hepatitis A and B, that's also caused by a virus. And lastly, the most leading deaths caused by a virus is the HIV if this is not treated well. So now guys, let's move on to viroids, okay? So viroids are plant pathogens that consists of a short stretch of highly wound single-stranded RNA without the protein coat. Okay? Viroids were discovered and given this name by Theodore Otto Dinner, a plant pathologist at the Agricultural Research Service in Maryland in 1971. So guys, what viroids can actually do, or what can viroids infect? Actually guys, viroids is only for plants. They can only infect plants. They cannot infect human and animals. So, viroids can cause mild to severe diseases in economically significant in crops, including both herbaceous and woody plants such as, for instance, apple, avocado, coconut, grapevine, hop, peach, potato, and tomatoes. So now, guys, let's move on to prions. So prions, a proteinaceous infectious particle or prion, is an infectious agent composed primarily of protein. The word prion, coined in 1982 by Dr. Stanley B. Prisoner, is derived from the words protein and infection. Prions are the cause of a number of diseases in a variety of mammals, such as bovine spongiform encephalopathy, or the BSE, or the mad cow disease in cattle. So, bovine spongiform encephalopathy, this is a progressive and fatal neurologic disease of a cattle. It is caused by an unconventional transmissible agent, an abnormal prion protein. So the second one is the Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in humans, which is a very rare fatal disease that can infect a person for many years before making them sick by destroying brain cells. So mostly destroying brain cells. Um, this is caused by eating beef and beef products, especially raw, and those beef are contaminated with the infectious agents of bovine spongiform encephalopathy, or the BSE, is the main cause of the CJD. So kuro, guys, is the world's rarest disease. Kuro is an incurable degenerative neurological disorder that is a type of transmissible spongiform encephalopathy caused by a prion, related to the Jacob disease found in humans. And so there you have it, guys. It's end of our discussion. I hope that you learned a lot from me, guys, and from the discussion itself. Though it is only generic, it's only brief discussion, but I hope this can help you live a healthy life.